Brooks and Clare's Zoo Adventure Book. This is Brooks and Clare's Zoo Adventure Book. One day, Brooks and Clare went to the zoo. It was a sunny, beautiful day and a great day to see the animals. Clare got some ice cream and Brooks enjoyed some cotton candy. They saw tons of cool animals at the zoo, like the gorillas and the zebras and some great big bears. It was a long, fun day for Brooks and Clare at the zoo, and it was getting late. They decided to see the dolphins one last time before the zoo closed. Brooks and Clare watched the amazing dolphins swim and play. They watched, and before they knew it, the zoo was closed and they were trapped inside. "We need to get out of the zoo," Brooks and Clare said to the dolphins. One playful dolphin swam up to the kids and said he could help them get out of the zoo. There was an opening in the roof above the dolphin pool. Brooks and Clare rode the dolphins as they jumped up into the air. From the roof, Brooks and Clare climbed carefully down the monkey pit. The monkeys were happy to see them and gave them each a banana to eat. "Can you help us get out of the zoo?" A monkey named Monty said he could help. Monty, Brooks, and Clare climbed up a tree and swung to the top of the monkey pit. On the other side of the monkey pit was a rock climbing wall. Brooks and Clare climbed carefully down the wall, but right into the lion's den. Two huge lions came chasing after Brooks and Clare. "I don't think these lions are going to help us get out of the zoo," Brooks said to Clare. The lions were getting closer to Brooks and Clare. Luckily, a group of monkeys from above began to throw banana peels at the charging lions. The lions slipped on the banana peels and crashed into each other. Brooks and Clare safely reached the other side of the lion's den. Brooks and Clare landed in a swamp area. The two started to hop from rock to rock to get to the other side. But the rocks were not rocks at all. They were alligators. "I definitely don't think these alligators will help us get out of the zoo," Clare said to Brooks as they bounced to the other side of the swamp. Luckily, a long-necked giraffe was looking over the wall. He dropped his head down and Brooks and Clare jumped onto his neck, safe at last from the hungry alligators. "We need help getting out of the zoo," Brooks and Clare told the giraffe. The giraffe said that the elephants could help them get out of the zoo. The two gigantic elephants made a swing out of their trunks and swung Brooks and Clare over the wall. Brooks and Clare landed safely on a bed of hay. Next to the pile of hay was the exit gate. Brooks and Clare were out of the zoo, free at last. They could not have done it without their animal friends. Brooks, try one of our other personalized books at firsttimebooks.com.